Are you a civil engineer? Let me ask you a question. What if in just few days from now, you can pick up any architectural plan, confidently carry out its full structural design and detailing, and start earning from it? Sounds unreal, right? Stay with me because I'm about to show you exactly how. I created a 10 days intensive structural design and detailing masterclass to show you step by step how real structural design is done in practice, and this course is designed to last for 10 days. Before I show you what you are going to learn, this is the architectural plan we'll be working with, and we will carry out its structural design and detailing. Day one of this course is all about structural framing, also known as general arrangement drawing. Here, we will master the governing principles in column placement, beam placement, and slab paneling. Day 2 is all about modeling in ProtaStructure, where we will model our architectural plan using the software ProtaStructure. Day 3 is all about analysis and design, where we will analyze the forces acting on each structural members, that is slab, beam, column, and foundation, and then design the reinforcement required to counter those forces. We will also learn interactive design, where we don't just accept what the software suggests but validates it using manual engineering principle. Day 4 is all about foundation detailing. Day 5 will be about path-based footing detailing. Day 6 column detailing. Day 7 beam detailing. Day 8 slab detailing, and you will understand the governing principles in slab reinforcement, that is how to place your top and bottom bars and how to detail a slab section. Day 9 is all about staircase detailing and east sectioning. Day 10 you will learn how to print and present your drawing in a way that looks professional. In this course video, you are going to get the architectural plan we use and also a complete structural design drawing of this architectural plan, and finally you will get a step-by-step video course on structural design and detailing of this architectural plan. For now, I'm giving it out at 80% discount. If you buy it today, you will get it at a discounted rate, and we have bonus packages for the first 100 people only, which includes structural design and detailing template I personally use, structural engineering CV template to help you stand out for any job application, free installation of ProtaStructure and AutoCAD software, and finally access to our online engineering community where we share engineering tips on daily basis so you stay sharp and never get outdated. But all this is only for the first 100 people to subscribe. Don't miss this chance to close the gap between theory and practice. Click the learn more button and get the course now.